What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Bonk, which has taken quite of a dip in the last 24 hours. It is down 16% and currently valued at this value here. So we're going to be looking at what is next for Bonk, and again it's not just Bonk but the crypto market is down, with Bitcoin down 9% in the last 24 hours, which is not looking too great. And in yesterday's video, I did let you guys know, do expect the crypto market to go for a price correction over the coming days, as it has pumped up quite a bit, and that is exactly what is going on right now. The market is going for a price correction, and hence why we are seeing dips. And today's focus is on Bonk, looking at, is it dropping because the crypto market is down, or is it dropping because the crypto is likely to start crashing back down in value over the coming days, weeks and so on, or is it going to pump back up? So we are going to cover its short-term and long-term prediction for 2024 as usual, and also looking at both buyers and sellers point of view as to what is the best thing to do right now. Is it to buy it, is it to sell it, or is it simply to hold on to it? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, and as you guys can see, Bonk is back below the SMA indicator, which is not a good sign. But in yesterday's video I did also mention it is likely to drop back down below the SMA indicator, which it has done. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from Bonk over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, the crypto should have taken more drops, guys, meaning it should be trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment. However, of course, do expect green candles in between as well, just like how it's been performing here over the last 12 to 14 hours. It is likely to carry on in that direction, dropping another 10 to 12% over the next 12 to 14 hours is what I'm expecting. So yes, guys, do expect more red candles over the coming hours. And not just for Bonk, but I am expecting the crypto market to take a little bit of a dip in the next 12 to 14 hours, with Bitcoin dropping down to just above $40,000 to $41,000 is what I'm expecting. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we are looking quite steep, heading towards the bearish direction, looking very negative. However, the reason is looking so steep is because of the major drop that's been taking place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep dropping in that direction and at that pace over the coming week or so. Yes, it is expected to drop down in value, but I'm not expecting it to crash down in value over the coming week. So by the end of next week, Bonk should be trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment. However, do expect green days in between, where it's likely to take a little bit of a pump and so on, but the red days are likely to be bigger than the green days. So an overall drop in value is what I'm expecting from Bonk over the next week or so, potentially dropping about 30 to 35% from where it is at the moment is what I'm expecting from Bonk. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? We're looking quite skeptical. Obviously the blue line was looking bearish and then looking bullish, and right now both the lines are literally flat out going in a straight line. They're not looking bullish or bearish. So what does this mean for Bonk? This means an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected. However, as previously mentioned in my Bonk updates, I'm expecting Bonk to go through an overall drop in value over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so early to mid-March. So towards the end of quarter one, I'm expecting Bonk to be trading at a much lower value than where it is at the moment. Reason for that is the major pump that took place earlier on in November and December has made the crypto not sustainable. So just like it was dropping here and it took a little bit of a pump over the last couple of days, it is likely to drop down further over the coming days, weeks and months as well. However, if there are any major updates that can have an impact on the value of Bonk, either in a positive or negative direction, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload and to keep in the loop on my take on Bonk as well. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are currently trading at the lower part of the the dark green zone. And in yesterday's video, I did explain that once it hits the resistance target here, it is likely to drop down to the lower resistance level, which it has done. And over the coming days, I'm expecting it to drop down into the green zone and potentially back down into the red zone by late January, early February is what I'm expecting from Bonk, and potentially dropping down even further down into the red zone by late February and March. It should be trading at a much lower value than where it is at the moment. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone down by 42%, guys, making it just under $300 million. Again, as you guys can see, 24 hours ago, the trading volume was over 460 million. But again, due to the drop in value from Bonk, most people are not trading the crypto. Most people are just holding back, waiting for it to pump or drop further for them to either buy and sell the crypto. So there hasn't been much activity going on from Bonk over the last 24 hours. And the trading volume is likely to go even lower over the coming days as more and more people will stop trading it, because as I mentioned, I'm expecting it to drop down further. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Bonk, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, has any of your predictions or expectations from Bonk changed over the last couple of days with the pump and then the drop? Are you guys still investing into it? Are you guys still buying it or selling it or even trading it? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. But before I do that, I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.